and welcome to Industry Insights in a Flash, a leadership microcast by Kaina AI in collaboration with HR Catalyst Circle. I am Aditi, and today we are exploring how AI is transforming talent acquisition from recruitment workflows and hiring decisions to the evolving role of recruiters. And joining us today is Shraddha Khanna, Senior Manager Talent Acquisition at Genpact. She brings extensive experience in talent acquisition, recruitment strategy, and the development of effective hiring practices in a rapidly evolving business environment. Thank you for joining us, Shraddha. It is a pleasure to have you here.
So thank you so much, Aditi, for having me here, and it's a pleasure to be on this microcast. I want to appreciate the concept of microcast as it actually encouraging a meaningful conversation in a very short and concise format, and it's very focused, like we're doing today. How AI is transforming the talent acquisition. So it's a great way to have a meaningful conversation. So looking forward to it.
Thank you, Shraddha. Let's begin with our first rapid fire question for you this evening. Which areas of talent acquisition are currently seeing the most meaningful impact from AI, as per you?
So, having started my TA career back in 2010, I have seen a huge evolution in how we recruit, and that has changed dramatically. Earlier, we spent a lot of time manually sourcing, screening CVs, coordinating, and following up. Today, AI is making the biggest impact in finding the right talent faster. They're improving the recruiter productivity, and most important is what I feel is predicting hiring risks. So for me, the real shift is from reactive recruitment to a much more intelligent, proactive, and a data driven TA function wherein AI drives the efficiency and insights, and recruiters focused on building relationships and making strategic decisions.
Sounds really good. Thank you, Shraddha. As AI begins to create meaningful impact across these areas, it is also changing how recruiters contribute to the hiring process. And, this brings us to the evolving role of recruiter, as very well said by you. Over to the next question for you, Shraddha. What changes are you seeing in the recruiter's role as AI becomes more embedded in the hiring flows?
So that's a good question. I feel I think the recruiter's role is now moving from a process executor to a talent advisor. So earlier, a recruiter could spend hours sourcing and screening profiles. Today, AI can do much of that heavy lifting. That gives recruiters more time to understand the business. They can focus on influencing hiring managers and engage on candidates and make better talent decisions. So today, I don't
Okay.
see business, or talent acquisition replacing, by replaced by AI. I see it
Mm-hmm.
changing what great recruiters spend their time on.
Oh, that's an important shift, Shraddha. As
Yes.
recruiters increasingly work alongside AI, I guess selecting the right tools becomes just as important as learning how to use them effectively. Next question for you. What factors should determine whether an AI tool is suitable for using in screening, assessment, or interviewing? Three things: screening, assessment, or interviewing.
So, so for me, it comes down to four things. First is
Okay.
accuracy. Second is fairness. Third
Mm-hmm.
is explainability and
Mm-hmm.
governance. Fifth is the governance. Just because AI tool is efficient doesn't mean it should be making the hiring decisions. So, for example, today, if a screening tool is trained on historical hiring data, it could unintentionally reproduce existing biasness. So, before even using AI in hiring, we should actually ask ourselves, does it improve quality? Is it fair? Can we explain the outcome? And do we have the human oversight? And that becomes very essential.
I mean, so apt, very well framed by you, and I believe these considerations provide a strong foundation for evaluating AI tools. However, even the right technology can be difficult to implement within established systems and ways of working if these things are not mapped well.
Absolutely, yes. If not well mapped well, it's not going to result well. That's
Correct.
how it is.
So, next question in the same line, sort of, what challenges are talent acquisition teams facing when integrating AI into existing recruitment processes?
So I think the biggest challenge is actually not the technology today. I feel
Mm-hmm.
the biggest challenge today is its adoption and integration. Most organizations already have the ATS, multiple recruitment tools, legacy process, and I should say fragmented data, right? So if AI isn't integrated properly, recruiters can actually end up doing more work. And then there are
Hmm.
concerns around data privacy, biasness, and trust. So in my view, we should be looking at start with the problem you are trying to solve rather than
Mm-hmm.
with the AI tool, right? And my focus,
Okay.
or my take here would be that we should be looking at what problem we are trying to solve rather than focusing on that we need to bring XYZ AI tool in the system. It should
Hmm.
speak, the technology should speak, along it should be combined with the technology with human judgment is what I feel.
This also highlights the practical realities that talent acquisition teams must navigate. So as AI adoption expands, the ability to address these challenges effectively could become a defining challenge for recruitment teams. I mean, I think this is in line with what you said.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, sounds well. I mean, actually insightful, I would say. The closing question for you for this microcast, Shraddha. As AI becomes more widely adopted, what will differentiate high performing talent acquisition teams from the rest of the teams?
So good question, as this is crossing everyone's mind these days. So I don't think the winners will be the teams with the most AI tools, right?
Hmm.
They'll be the teams that know where AI should be used and where human judgment matters most. I feel a high performing TA team will combine AI, strong data, their recruiter capability, and governance to improve their speed and quality, and most importantly, candidate experience. Having seen TA evolve since 2010, I think the
Hmm.
biggest differentiator going forward will be how intelligently, like I said, how intelligently we will
Hmm.
combine technology with human judgment. So any day it's not going to be, the future of TA isn't
Hmm.
AI versus the recruiters. It's AI enabling great recruiters to become even more strategic in their nature
Super.
of work. That would be my view here.
I mean, superb. What a blend that you have mentioned. I mean, four things and recruitment. Superb. I think our audience is going to get a lot of insights from, whatever answers we are getting from you, Shraddha. So, thank you. Thank you so much for this. And thank you for sharing your valuable perspectives on the evolving relationship between AI and talent acquisition. Insights have given us a clearer understanding of where AI can strengthen recruitment, how the recruiter's role is evolving, and what organizations must consider when introducing AI to their hiring processes. I mean, very important. The series is brought to you by Kaina AI in collaboration with HR Catalyst Circle. And for our audience, stay connected for more focused conversations, industry perspectives, and actionable insights from business and people leaders. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Industry Insights in a Flash. Thank you.